Hurricane Laura is now ready for the record books. But first, just the facts. The Category 4 storm threatened to be one of the most destructive in history. But while it was bad, winds peaked at some 150 miles an hour. Many areas were blessedly spared the expected storm surge. Still, Laura claimed 16 lives. More than half of them were caused by carbon monoxide poisoning from unsafe use of generators. Thousands are still without power. Some 220,000 are without water. Restoration could take months. President Trump paid a visit to the region yesterday. Yesterday, we should also note, was the 15th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina, which devastated the same general area.
We have thousands and thousands of our fellow citizens whose lives are upside down.
Though Louisiana Governor John Bel Edwards said that Laura was, in fact, the most powerful hurricane to ever strike his state.